Please, you are welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to design curriculum vitae. We are not going to do that manually. We are going to use an app to do that very quickly and easily for us. My name is Frank Ampreku, Expo GHIT Services. So this is the app. Let's launch it. Okay, so this is the interface of the app. We have resume, and this one is for cover letter. All our downloads will be saved here. Okay, so let's quickly look at cover letter, then we come to resume. So here they've given us the various fields that we need to provide. So here you provide your name, Frank Ampreku, company Expo GHIT Services. So PO Box 11 Techiman. If you have more than one address, you can provide. They've given you 3 addresses. So if you have more than one, you provide the remaining addresses. Okay, so let's come here, click on save. They've given you a sample letter. So all you need to do is to read through where you need to add your information. You just do that. So it's very simple. Just edit and then add your information. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so when you're done, you come here, you come to let's save it. Just click on save. Okay, so after saving it, you can download. You click on download. So download 1, download 2, allow. Okay, so it's been downloaded. You can view your download. It is in PDF. Okay, so that is it for cover letter. Let's go back. Let's do the resume. Let's click on it. Okay, so they've given you all the necessary details, the information that you will need to design your resume or your CV. They've given it to you. So you start and then enter your information one after the other. So let's start from here. Basic details. So they are asking of your name. You just type your name here, your address. You type your address, box 11 Teachman. I don't have any other address. You provide your email. So then your phone number. So that is that. Then you save it. It's been saved. Then you come to education. You enter your education, and look here, we start from the highest qualification. So always take note of that. Start from the highest qualification. So mine is BSc ICT. Institute is UEW. CGPA 3.5. Year of passing, you just add your year. You just add your year of passing. Okay, so here we have qualification 2. So if you have any other qualification, you add it. So that one, I'll add diploma in basic education, institute let me write here UCC, then 3.5, year of passing 2012. Alright, so here after you have filled this, you save it. But if you have any other qualification, you can click on add. When you click on add, you see that qualification 3 is activated. Then you provide it. So if you have more than 1 or 2 qualification, you click on add to do that. Okay, so when you are done, you click on save. It's been saved. You come to project. If you have a project that you are doing which is not completed, you can do that. You add it. So you click on that, then you click on add the title of the project, then description, and then duration. When you are done, you click on save. Then you come to interest. So here you add your interests: singing, cooking, programming. Okay, so yes, etc. So maybe these are my interests. Then you click on save. We come to achievement and awards. So here you come here. If you have any achievement and award, you do that and then you save. Then we come to personal strengths and hobby. Here you can either hide it or show it in your CV. So your strengths, and then your hobby. Okay, so what you can do best, your strength, you add it, and then your hobby. Okay, so some people, their hobby is sleeping. Yes, but we don't put that in a CV. So your hobby, what you like doing most. Okay, you add it. But let's take note. Always provide information that will suit the employer. So normally we don't give the same CV to every employer. So you just look at what the employer needs, then use that one to design your CV. Okay, so when you're done, you click on save. Then let's come here. I think personal information. Yes, I think from the basic information we should have come here first. Okay. Yes, personal information. We should have come there first. So date of birth, you just add it. Maybe 15th January 2010. Marital status. So whether you are married or single, you provide it. Languages spoken. Maybe you speak French. Okay. So French nationality, your passport. So here, some of the information, if you think you don't want to provide, you can leave it there. Yes, maybe your marital status, you don't want to disclose it, you can do that. Okay, so when you're done, you click on save. So here you go through all these. We have experience, technical skills, industrial exposure, activities, objective declaration. So you just go through those that you want to add to your CV, you click and add. Those that you don't want to add, you leave them there. Okay, so here after doing this, the last 10 is photo and signature. You click on it, photo and signature. So here we are going to add our photo and sign. One interesting part of this app is that you will be able to sign your signature here. you are not going to import. You can sign your signature here. That is very powerful. Okay, so let's click on the change photo. Open. So let me get a photo for it, a very nice one. Let me go to my downloads. So I think, okay, let me choose this. So when you come here, you can set it. You can use this to set your picture. Good. You can use it to set your picture. Then you click here. Alright. Let's save it. Save the picture. If that is not what you want, you can change it. Okay, so here, like I was saying, you can sign. You can either upload. If you want to upload, you sign it somewhere. You take a picture of it. You remove the background and you upload. Or you can sign. You can sign. So let's click on sign. Okay, so you sign your signature here. Okay, so yes, you sign your signature here. Then you save it. Save it. Alright. So that is that. You can as well hide it. If you want to hide your signature, you can do that. You can do that. Okay. Alright, so here, that is that. The last thing to add is reference. So it is very important that you add your referees, people who can attest to the fact that the information you are providing is true and authentic. Yeah, so you provide referees to your resume. So we have the name, the designation, then the reference organization where he or she is working, email, and then phone number. So when you're done, you save it. Okay, so after everything, after you have added all these things, then you come here. You've added that and then added your photo as well. You come here, generate resume. Okay. So let's choose a template, resume template. So here you look through. There are a lot of templates here. You just look through and choose anyone you like. So let me choose this. You select this one. You can preview. And you can choose any color for it. You can choose a color for your resume. Then let's preview and see. Right, so here, this is the information I provided. I didn't provide all. So when you provide all the information, everything will appear here and it will look very nice. Very, very nice. Alright, then we have this rearrange sessions. Click on it. So for instance, you look through and you see that the first one is career objectives. Look, personal profile is here. That is not how it must be arranged. So you can arrange it. You can arrange it yourself. So you can bring personal profile must come. That one must come first. Then education must follow. Experience. You can arrange it yourself. You can view your downloads here. These are the downloads I've done. You can download them and then view them. They are in PDF. So let me view and see. Yes, this is my download. Now I can share it. If I want to export it, you click on the share button and then you share it to whichever place you want to share it, whether your email, your WhatsApp, whichever place you want to share it to. You can do that. Right, so that is all for the CV services. Okay, this lesson was brought to you by Frank Mpreku, the founder of Expo GH IT Services. See you again in our next tutorial.